I'm Marianne Benetti. It is summer, and these are hellebores. Now, hellebores are perennial. They flower in the winter and the early spring. So you see no flowers on my hellebores now, but summer care of hellebores include looking for infestations of aphid. So here is a leaf. You can see it's infested on the underside of the leaf is infested with aphid. So I remove the entire leaf, stem and all, to get off most of the aphid off the plants. And how did I know to check for that? Well, you can see the top, these little white specks here of the old aphid skins. The top was my hint to look underneath the leaf because this particular leaf is full of aphid. So I'm just going to go through, cut off any leaves that look really infested. These I'll put right into the compost pile. Hellebore aphid tend to stay on the hellebores, so I'm not too worried about them jumping onto my other plants. And then I'm not going to remove all the leaves because the hellebores are still using these green leaves to manufacture next winter's flowers. But I do want to get rid of some more of the aphid that maybe are clinging on to some of these leaves that aren't quite so infested. So here's my great inexpensive tip, and that is simply a strong jet of water. Now you can even add a little bit of soap suds if you want, but a strong jet of water is usually enough to get most of the aphid under control, and your hellebores will be able to create beautiful flowers for next winter. This has been Marianne Benetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.